Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands. Speaker sir, speaking on the Environment Ministry, the budgetary provision of 2,000 lakhs, which is less than 51% less than your revised estimates of 23-24 of 3613. At the start, Speaker sir, the need of the hour today is to protect our environment. The entire ecology of Goa today, if you look at the way people are talking, environmentalists, NGOs, activists, common man, all of us because are presently feeling that our ecology of Goa today is under threat. And हें कित्याक जाता Speaker sir? Because of the rampant land conversion जी जाता इथे, hill cutting, felling of large number of trees all across the state, forest fires, and above all, diversion of our river Madhe. And that's because आमी कालच्या दिसाक जायते उलोयले, precisely with the TCP and the forest demands. But you all are all interconnected. If you see the amount of destruction, there are 2,000 odd complaints that are registered about illegal hill cutting presently, Speaker sir, with the TCP department, and they are absolutely not working on it. ज्या पद्धतीन आज हिल कटिंग जाता, almost they say 11 lakh square meters has been given under this hill cutting areas, eco-sensitive areas. So हुई ना हुई Speaker sir, लोकांमध्ये एक भय जाला की आमचे हे environment is going to go, it's going to be a disaster. आज ज्या पद्धतीन forest fires जाता, almost 430 hectares of land it's on record has been caught on fire. So what has the Environment Ministry done to make sure that such type of episodes don't happen in the future? Do you all have any mechanism planting trees to the forest department? Yes, 50% of them are dying. But because if you see, overall, you have been an environment minister, I believe, for even during the 2007 to 12. And do you see any difference then and now? Is something that you need to answer through your experience. Because आज जे Western Ghataचे जाता, Western Ghat itself today is under threat. The gravity of this damage and आमचे जे गोंयकार आहे, whether in the near future we can look at it through the torrential rains. आज ज्या पद्धतीन आज जुलैच्या महिन्याक, if you look, maximum rain has been falling with maximum intensity in minimum number of days. म्हणजे हे चोयल्यार Speaker sir, हुई ना हुई जे एक climate change under, जे Arabian Sea is getting warmer than the Bay of Bengal. The cycle has reversed. So has the Environment Department taken any cognizance of this? No wonder name in the Central Ministry Environment and Climate Change mu add केला. But ते नावच add कोण जाला जरी तर आमी environment only जे आमगे पाड घातले जाला Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसना तरी आमचे गोंय हे साल्वार जातले म्हणून. Speaker sir, आयच्या दिसाक गोंयांत जे लँडस्लायड जाले, हुई केन्ना असले लँडस्लायड जावंक नासले पयले. So what is the reason? आणि मेपद्दी एरिया वायनाडांतूय हेच जाल्लें 10 वर्सां आदीं तांकां वॉर्न केल्लें about massive development, pre-planned जे म्हाका दिसता आमचे हे डिझास्टर करपाक हेच प्रयत्न आज हुई ना हुई जालेले आसा. Speaker sir, जे गाडगील पॅनल आशिल्लें तेमी रेकमेंड केल्लें की 75% of 1,29,034 odd kilometers should be declared environmentally sensitive, eco-sensitive zone declare कोच तेंगेलो रिपोर्ट आशिल्लो. आनी कित्याक हिंगा जायते डेन्स फॉरेस्ट कवर आहा आनी तशेंच म्हाका दिसता जे एंडेमीक स्पीसीज आहा, दे आर ऑल very very precious to our motherland. But हुई ना हुई Speaker sir, this was changed and 50% it was reduced, the report that Gadgil had given. Speaker sir, I believe at that time, I don't know whether you were the minister, yeah. Speaker sir, जे आज वायनाड जाला तेच पत्तून गोंय जावपाक जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता, if you look at the accuracy of what was predicted it is absolutely bang on that Jer Amka alarm what was raised by Professor Gadgil, the same thing has happened. And Magadista, now the union government just a few days back has recommended for the sixth time issued a draft notification. And in this notification, it has asked to declare 56,800 square kilometers of Western Ghats across 6 states as ecological sensitive area. Because, sir, this is something that is very, very important because I'll come into it a little ahead. But Western Ghats, Zoritor, Ami, plan korpak lagle. And if we don't control our ज्या पद्धतीन आज गोंयांत जे चलता स्पीकर सर वयता थिंगा झाडां मारता वयता थिंगा प्रायवेट फॉरेस्ट कापता वयता थिंगा हे दोंगर कोसळोयते हे सगळें बंद जाना जाल्यार स्पीकर सर हूंय ना हूंय थिंग्स विल गो फ्रॉम बॅड टू वर्स्ट आयच्या दिसाक जेन्ना कोर्टान सांगलेलें हायकोर्टाचेर हेजेर फॉरेस्ट रायट्स ऑफ फॉरेस्ट ड्वेलर्स स्टील गव्हर्मेंट इज टेकन मोर टायम्स डिस्पायट 1 year being given to them because मेन मुद्दो म्हणटाय तो जेन्ना आमी लास्ट टायम एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर जे आशिल्ले बाब निलेश काब्राल तेका आमी प्रश्न केलेलो की विथ मादय वायल्ड लायफ सेंच्युरी डिक्लेरिंग एज अ टायगर रिजर्व विल मादय बी सेफ म्हणून द सेम बिकॉज आमी इफ वी लूक आय रिक्वेस्ट द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर दॅट could you tell us whether with after Madai Wildlife Sanctuary being reserved as a tiger reserve, will Madai be safe according to your departments? Because I believe that irresponsible and lethargic part on several government departments towards environment and the life of Goans are today linked to it. Because budget speech on Mukhel Mantrin ek announcement kele scheme to promote conservation of environment and ecology of educational institutes and research institutes. This was announced in the budget of the Honorable Chief Minister. And he said, kitko ye environment through means of conducting workshops and exhibition. Ye tegele budget speech analle. And you are also providing them some financial assistance for this educational institutes and research institutions. Because I believe we cannot protect the environment like sitting here in an AC or a seminar room. We are not going to protect our environment as what is announced by home and sleeping over it. Hui na hui je department ache, environment ache, climate change ache, your people from your department, they have to go on the field and see the ground reality. You will definitely agree with me the way things were in the past during how the forest was handled and how the environment has been degraded with the amount of construction and all these things that are coming. Is basically things are going from bad to worse. I believe that you must give us an input, Jenna, on what is wrong and how you will salvage this particular project. What is the thing? By sitting in a seminar room, how are they going to project? Whether you are sending them on the ground, because Pagadista, with regards to noise mapping. This is also, you said you spent 2 crores 35 lakhs and you are planning to identify hotspots and sources and you have some mitigation plans as well. So the Honorable Environment Minister had some other plans and some other agencies in the past. So how are you going to handle this particular part? Because Magadista High Court of Bombay has already recommended to your department and has directed that constitute a joint special cell for special EDM and events like sunburn and all this that is happening. So I believe you yourself know that they cannot comply with the terms and conditions by which permissions are granted with the amount of sound and that is being. Epusante Magadista, that provision of the noise pollution rule. Despite having these rules, they are not basically working on that particular sound frequency or whatever it is. Because of Magadista, why is the department, what is the plan and why are they reluctant? Yes, sunburn, ada jenna Southa tori tui eklo minister a Southa, you make sure that you don't get it to the south. But I believe even when they are doing it in north, we don't need it in Goa, that is another thing. But whether your department people are following the norms, whether they are following the norms, because High Court has regulated that they are not basically following the norms. Because water bodies, basically several replies from the WRD department says that almost 7 of our rivers, main rivers, are polluted. River Sal is polluted, Bicholim is polluted, Mandovi, ज्या पद्धतीन आज जे मायक्रोप्लास्टीक वयता हे कसिनोवाल्यांगेले मायक्रोप्लास्टीक वयता दुकानांतल्यान वयता आज हुई ना हुई Mandovi is also heavy polluted. This moves into the Arabian Sea. हुई ना हुई speaker sir, this department I believe most of our lakes are contaminated. Anik if you don't be aggressive, or the Goa State Pollution Control Board, if you are not aggressive and you je source हुंयच्यान येता हें जरी तर तुमी आयडेंटिफाय केलें ना जाल्यार because I believe that the people will suffer. What happened in Zuari Agro, after so many years, it is believed that that pipeline was tapped. That's a good thing you've done. But that was when you found out that there were fish dying and all that things in Velsa. But there are how many such pipelines? Where have they gone? Where are they polluting? Because this is something Italy orsa zali after 30-40 years they say that that pipeline was found. How many such pipelines are there? Why are our rivers getting polluted? हे म्हाका दिसता तुमी हुई ना हुई हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय. Because speaking on the air pollution deteriorating in Vasco, I was listening to the Murmugaon MLA. Now I don't know what to comment about it because he was speaking the same language when he was on our side. He's speaking in between, the language had changed. Now the language seems to be a little more aggressive. So I don't understand whether there's an understanding, or you will possibly reply about the pollution level. What is the monitoring system there? Personally, Jay, you've said about water being sprayed. What about the dome? All these things were promised. The end result is, oh, कोळसो पडास because आज वास्को कारूच न्हू सगळे गोंयभर हो कोळसो pollution जाता, and it has harmful effects. COVIDच्या वेळार if you do a case study, it is seen that because of COVID, or they are most likely like passive smokers, you possibly understand that these passive smoke coal भितर वयता in the lungs, it is absolutely difficult. हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता हें बंद जावपाक जाय. आनीक rather than I feel coal handling zata. This is the main culprit. This coal handling right from so many years now. It is happening. The government seems to be with this coal lobby. I'm making a very clear statement because MPT cha vela zalyan dolphin mooring thinga. That is also something that is a very serious matter. The way what action have you initiated against these handlers? And what is the limit? Because I believe that the Goa State Pollution Control Board is acting soft on these coal handlers. This gives us an impression that Goa State Pollution Control Board and the government have a relationship. I don't know whether other elected members have a relationship, but this seems to be the connection or the nexus. It's because sound pollution, particularly in the coastal belt, and the High Court has exposed again the failure of the Goa State Pollution Control Board with regards to the northern coastal belt of Anjuna, Kalangud, Vagator, Baga. I will further avoid any observation on this. You see a lot of people, आमची जी traditional kazar जाता येते, धाक सगळे music bond. Everything is stopped, but these people up to 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning, you see rave parties happening. You see people having different time, or from all different parts of the world. There has to be curb, there has to be an कित्याक गोंयकाराक कित्याक काजार जावपाक येना. I understand that you have this sound rule when you were the environment minister. I think some Madhya Pradesh type of a thing that had happened. Can you amend it? Is there a possibility for us to do it, especially if you give relief? I think the people of Goa will look at you very positively. Because आज हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता Goa State Pollution Control Board is difficult, although you all have an office. But I think in South Goa, you should try and have an extension office, possibly in the collectorate of South Goa. If you have an extension office, because in Margao, Magadista, there will be ease of communication for citizens of South Goa. It's because wetland ache jenna uloitna, I believe that the wetland authority itself has to identify these wetlands and notify all these wetlands in Goa. I have been given to understand that there is an order of the NGT, and these orders, because are to this effect of the identity of wetlands, is not basically followed. I believe that these wetlands have to be identified immediately. Why it has to be identified immediately, I will tell you. Or we will lose them under 17.2 and 39A. We will lose them 100% if you don't identify. Identify kor matche, and notify kor. Nazala Speaker sir, I believe many departments, they are like hungry tigers. Sarke wag zale departments aite. Ye wag kitko des because they prowl on the prey. Anik the land is their feed and the fodder to make the kill. Munje enka zaite department are, if these wetlands are not notified, we are quite sure that this will not be safe. So this wetland authority patunge ha, because this basically should identify and protect not only our wetlands but also the fields associated with them. Biodiversity चे जेन्ना उलयतना because आमचे जे biodiversity hotspots आहेत, we have to notify them. Again, identify and notify. Still they are not identified and notified. Because heritage site, identify them. Ada seed bank moha that falls in his ye maka dista tumi agriculture minister ak diupak jai. Agriculture department for better and more scientific treatment seed bank pade ha tenge department ha te tum geu pa jai. Because Goa biodiversity basically I feel lacks the expertise. When I say lacks the expertise, and I feel they are overstepping into a technical area that the agriculture department is well versed with. So hui na hui, a particular seed banking should possibly be given to the agriculture ministers. Because CZMP che sogle uloile, I will be very brief. I expect you to revisit the CZMP plans, sand dunes especially, the way we all know, Soglang Khopara, they play a very important role, but they are being destroyed, including on beaches, vegetation. And why they play an important role is because aaj saline water seeping through during storms, this is where they stop it, and this is something that is very, very important. Aaj they act as a natural barrier, and they are marked and protected in the plan. It's because Wayanad this is a wake-up call, and I believe that if we do not try to wake up in time despite of a warning given to us, because hui na hui magadista amche coastal ecology ami sarke pad gattale. Another very important point that I would like to get to the Honorable Minister is the turtle nesting site in Mandre especially. Now the Tourism Minister is coming with a concept under IT department called workspaces. Sogla sarko sea view, beach view tengas kam korpak. त्या obara tukas so thing office gaday, thing I think turtle nesting zago poil sadya. It is a protected type of a species that comes in. There you all are doing IT development. ये workspaces तुम IT department आन मागलोले हुई कैसा white elephant आल्लो bus stop भी आई थिंग दिमु तुम तंग साथ दोइऱ्या मुखार गाते. Speaker sir, हुई ना हुई मागादिस्ता commercial activities near these turtle nesting sites will defeat the whole purpose of protecting this nesting site. So I think you have to wholeheartedly object it, because this is not in the interest. If you look at it, where turtle are nesting, there is only one beach that we have it, and they have notified this beach for workspaces. Because I believe Ponjeche amka zoritor few in the morning I spoke about it also. 10% of Penjim would not remain; it would sink with the rising level of the water. Hui na hui, you have to take this CZMP very seriously with the wake of global warming zata, ani rising sea levels zata. You have to look at this very, very seriously. Marina che, I mean, Naushi Marina che, I mean, you all are tinkering with the idea of setting it up, looks like, but I believe that the government should not trust upon this project to the people. Don't force them. The other day, I believe technically, there are a lot of rare species within the vicinity of this ecosystem, and this ecosystem is very fragile. There are certain type of sea life, sea animals found, which is found within this vicinity, and I believe that somehow the government wants to give backdoor attempts are made to currently underget these projects. Because specifically Zoritor Ami Choiler, to protect our environment, Ami Zoritor 5 hours, because we need to take a break from hill cutting, filling of low-lying lands, and rapid planning. State action plan on climate change for the state of Goa. Because this states that the coast of Goa is under severe threat from climate change. This authority itself, state action plan on climate change. The authority itself says that the coast of Goa is under severe threat from climate change. So this is a very alarming thing. It's because 15% 15% of our land will be under threat from floods, storms, submergence in the future, and I believe you need to initiate measures now. MPT J. Magadista Aj, we spoke up in detail, several people spoke, but I believe that from coal to cruise tourism and green cargoes. Sagarmala jo project at the start we saw that we were all connecting these things, and they were all connecting because connecting it looked like this is all the connection, the expansion. People fear the expansion of the Boring Bridge is also because of that, because MPT in the PWD's letter itself they said that the shortest road to MPT. So local villagers, your villagers as well, have raised an alarm, and when you are an environment minister, they expect you to look at this very, very seriously. Because double tracking I would be your colleague, amche senior Bab Sudin Dawlikar ingana Tanmarache tegelo ek vichar ahlo opposition astona my 10 statement I can't dolo ato jenna te side gelo ruling amudla anta apna sarkit ten kolmo आता हांव तोच प्रश्न तुका घाता कित्याक ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर जो आसलो शांदर जेन्ना आमकां गोंयांत कोळसो नाका हो जेन्ना ओनली गोल से नो टू कोल यू वर पार्ट ऑल्सो ऑफ दॅट एजिटेशन यू वॉक्ड फ्रॉम सावियो हेनड्रिक्स हावस टील द चर्च अप टू 2 in the morning वी सेड आमकां गोंयांत कोळसो नाका आतां वॉट इज युअर स्टँड ऑन दॅट सो युअर सिनियर कलीग हॅज चेंज्ड सुदीन दवलीकर चेंज ऑन तनमार डू यू स्टील स्टँड बाय दॅट or now you please explain to us, because sir म्हाका दिसता double tracking Kule to Margaon and Castle Rock to Kule, these both are the tracks that are left. And if you look at this, because this comes under the Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary, and when it comes under this sanctuaries, because around forest area is about 137 hectare involved. Felling of trees जातले about 20,641 इतली झाड थिंगा जातले बिकॉज सर आमचे आदले मुखेलमंत्री आहले दिगंबर बाबूय आहले ते फॉर दॅट प्रोटेस्ट आनी म्हाका दिसता संकल्पूय आहलो सो नाव आय थिंक सिन्स यू आर एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर यू वूड पॉसिबली गिव अस एन क्लियर सिग्नल वॉट इज एक्झॅक्टली वेदर दीस कोल जे पट जाता बिकॉज सर हे कोल do you stand by what you did about, I think so, about 2.5 years ago? Castle Rock to Kule have there 19,000 trees. It's because and there's a stretch of Tinai Ghat to Castle Rock. These are 3 stretches that basically are involved. Because Honorable Minister should take note. This is very, very important. The National Wildlife Board, they have stated in a report that Jenna and double tracking projects atle, there is a potential damage to the integrity of the Western Ghats. They have said this. And additionally, National Highway 4A widening is expected within 5 to 6 kilometers north of this project. So you have so much of damage happening there. I think you should seriously flag these concerns. You should also prepare with mitigation measures immediately. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता आज with regards to the board Goan biodiversity board Goan project, under this scheme you intend to set up 10 multi-processing centers during this year. What is the progress of yours with regards to this? This was announced in the budgetary thing by the Chief Minister. Has it gone forward, or this was only just another announcement, another ladu? Speaker sir, it is also seen that you have made another, with the help of World Bank, namely framework for Green Climate Fund. And this, under this, this project you have mentioned that the cost is 1,650 crores. So Speaker sir, you are doing this in partnership with CIDBI, NABARD. What are the benefits that will be derived to the common common people of Goa, and when is this, whether it is going to improve the environment? What are you planning to do with this? Has it come, or where have you processed it? When will these funds come? What is the status? I believe you should tell all of us. Because आता आमी जेन्ना Tanmaraचेर उलयतना जे Karnataka rejected the proposal for diverting the forest land in favor of power lines of Goa Tanmar project. This decision, because was taken to protect Amgele environment, Amche forest. Anik, I don't know what is your plan with regards to that, although it is the thing is pending in the Supreme Court. Because आज जेन्ना आमी pollutionाचे उलयतना म्हाका दिसता this is the 7th session. This is the 7th session of the 8th Legislative Assembly. And all the 7 sessions, I have raised this issue. I have raised this issue regarding the pollution of various industrial units, specifically to Kunkolim. I'd cite the example of Kunkolim. Because prashna is about hazardous waste. And when hazardous waste was promised, Mughal Mantri Bab, when this hazardous waste was jenna prashna it was in general. You made it say, from the answer that you gave, you said it was related to one particular industry. Amche Mahesh Patil, I had 3 meetings with him when the Environment Ministry was with the Chief Minister. He made a statement that on the floor of the House that this particular hazardous waste would be taken to Pisurle. They said that the cost was around 13 crores, out of which they said 5 crores was given and it is processed. And Johnson, the files were moving. Now, the classification was what? It was classified as hazardous waste. This classification you gave as hazardous in the, I think when you were Environment Minister, again, I'm not sure, in 7 to 12. Now, hazardous waste पर जालें तेज नंतर जालें तेजे character analyzation ये नए term आता ते hazardous waste थिंगा आहा तुम्ही जोड म्हाका दिसता 21 लाख मोळे for covering it ये shift तुम कोतले ओ shift तुम करपा ना तुम उतर दिलो कोतोमो ना. So this particular thing, I believe you all have put some agency now. I'll come to that because आज pollution, specifically in Kunkolim, we had taken a joint meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister. I believe your department directors, Pollution Control Board, all were present. They agreed that some norms had to be followed. Air quality index monitors had to be in place. ETP plants had to be put. ज्या पद्धतीने आज ते fish mill, bore wells, I'm telling you, there are about not less than 100. Not less than 100. The WRD minister is wrong, and I have requested him to come to the industrial estate and have a look. 4 lakh liters of water is required for one particular plant. If you look at it, 4 lakh liters of water, how many tankers? Yeah.
On this particular point, I know that the Pollution Board has gone and inspected, but I'm willing to come along with you and the team if you are in a position to tell us where these bore wells are.
Yeah. We will go.
I'm willing to come.
Yeah. See, Speaker sir, what happens is basically whatever wastewater is left in this, it's seen in the neighboring Kepe constituency on the border of Ambaulim also. And the people are basically suffering. This is a long pending issue. Kindly, Magadista, AQI monitors were supposed to be put. Now, how do we say what is the quantum? We use just an app available on Google and check. The air quality index shows 84, sometimes 85, but the actual reality is way bad.
We'll go someday next week, you see your convenience and tell me.
Speaker sir, Jay Makadista, and that hazardous waste also you please answer, because you have said that CSIR NIRI.
I'm answering. Answer.
Speaker sir, Jay, another question that I had asked you is, we had asked whether the government has done any study on the impact of red category industries or any other polluting industries in the eco-sensitive zones. Your reply says that no study is conducted. I can give you that LAQ if you need. Speaker sir, I believe that this is a very serious thing, and hui na hui, we have failed to stop the pollution. If you look at Verna Industrial Estate also, there are a lot of complaints pro the way they've encroached into lands, the way laborers are. It's a multi-sarke mess. I don't know, the Honorable Transport Minister is not present here, the Industries Minister. He said the way encroachments were done outside industrial zones, in paddy fields, they are just encroached, laborers, this, that. So this is a complete gross irregularity. And why should our example Kunkolkars get that curse? दुसरें पयर तो बिल हाडपा सोदतालो आनी खबर ना धा लाटे जाल्यार तेजेर जें तूं when you were an MLA, I remember, whatever the panchayat or the municipality were getting some amount, that amount also they want to waive off. So, and speaker, am तुगे आतां बावजीन होगर दोंगर आनी आम दोंगरू हावप थिंगा कांय आनी कांय दिवप ना. कितें तरी income has to come to the municipality, falls in municipal area, and this is worse. Almost 2 crores are pending in my municipality. Panchayats, there are lakhs of rupees pending. I believe when the people are facing this and the local...
Panchayats have gone to the High Court.
Yeah, that he's bought a bill. In the bill, he's bought that, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, with regards to ISRO on coastal erosion, they have warned that both North Goa and South Goa are landslide prone. So, ejer to me, kiten tori kela, it reveals that 15.2 hectares of our land is lost due to coastal erosion. In the next 10 years, we will lose it. Because, Magadista, these are very serious issues when we are losing land, soil erosion, and this is concerning your ministry. So, what are the attempts you have made? What action will the government take with regards to this? Because, one more very important thing that we spoke yesterday about the environment impact assessment. I believe that for every mega project, the environment impact assessment has to be done. There are licenses being given. One person just gets licenses, tries to be the super chief minister of the other portfolios. It's just like investment promotion is in competition with town and country is competition with tourism is in competition with some other thing. So all this competition basically udo tinga lokank pautle, jenna rostyacho issue aha, udkacho issue aha, so many people coming in within that issue of garbage, all these issues. I believe that the environment impact assessment has to be done. Whether it is done is something that the Honorable Minister needs to let us know. Kidak Goa's carrying capacity padha, carrying capacity is something that I believe that amche goinche जावं आणि is also, I believe, advising the Honorable Chief Minister Suresh Prabhu. He has questioned the carrying capacity. So whether you all will do this carrying capacity and what with regards to the biodiversity rich hotspots of the Western Ghats, I believe if this is not taken care, Dud Sagaran, Udo Etamotean, my Hoboram Isrobaji, Tian, my Mukmukarani Sagale Tesle Pad Zatalas. Because speaking on the eco-sensitive areas of the Western Ghats, you have written a letter to the Forest and Climate Change on 14 June 2024. The Department of Ministry of Environment and Forest Change, saying to notify only 63 villages. You've written the letter. So now this is part of eco-sensitive areas. Speaker sir, the Western Ghat, earlier it was 99. You have said to notify to 63, so you are bringing it down. I believe yesterday 56,000 has increased. We have to look at, Speaker Sir, instead of reducing it, we have to look at more areas being put. Why are not all 108 villages as listed earlier not being notified into these eco-sensitive areas of the Western Ghats? Because with the current area, I think you will have to reverse your decision, or whether the 56,000 that has been added reverses your decision is something that you need to.
56,000 is overall
Yeah.
Western Ghats, not
So,
Goa.
yeah, so there's these villages is something that you need to tell us. Speakers are speaking on law and judiciary. Ada kalche disak jem bill ele. TCP minister said that it was done by you. I mean, it was vetted by the law department. But Speaker Sir, I believe that such type of bills that aim to shield land convergence from judicial review itself, Speaker Sir, that the law minister, I believe you need to communicate with strong dissent. This is something that you need to communicate with strong dissent, because before coming to the House, Anik, the law department, because I believe has failed to do this probably when the bill came before the cabinet. I don't know, possibly before that you didn't do it. At least now the remedy you have to take. Administrative tribunal je padamge South Goa tha. Hui na hui, Speaker Sir, this is not operational. Kitli horsa dali, it's not operational. Presiding judge of the tribunal, he has to be appointed. And also you have to create an establishment. So when will you create? Will you create? You being the only minister from Salset and South Goa, people have expectations from you. Speaker Sir, je premises of civil courts in South Goa. Yeah, civil court je jaupag halle 10 वर्ष झाली. 10 years back, this was the construction has commenced. What is the current reality of it? Whether it is showing any signs of completion, where is it held? Because the current premises of the administrative tribunal in the north, Vidya building, this is absolutely inconvenient for the people. Inconvenient because there is no parking space anywhere nearby. Administrative tribunal magadista you can house this building in the North Goa district court, as the same will be shifted to the new independent premises shortly, when I hopefully rooftop baryan gela udon gela tinga magadista begi tumte rooftop ghalche, because je labor court Children's Court, State Consumer Grievances Redressal Commission, I believe all these things could be shifted at this location. This will basically decongest the area in the city and save the government on the heavy government rental data based on that. Because speaking on district and session courts, I believe that there was a private member's resolution, and when there was a private member's resolution, the Honorable Ministers informed us that there was a shortage of 18 judges. There is a shortage currently of 18 judges in 10 different courts, including the district court across Goa. And if you look at the data, there is a shortage of 4 judges in the civil and criminal courts in Margao, while there is a shortage of 2 judges in district session court in Panjim and Mapsa. So total Otra is shortage. Now there is one shortage of judge in the civil and criminal court in Ponda, Bicholi, Sattari, Valpoi, Vasco, Sange and Gram Nayale. If you look at this, because as per the unit system, this is as per the unit system calculated by the Supreme Court. This is the figure and the strength as per the direction of the Supreme Court. Now, because as per Article 229 of the Constitution, as per this article, the entire process of filling up of this post are judicial offices done by the Bombay High Court. When we speak about this post being filled, it's because the pendency of cases in North Goa Court is 41,972 cases. Anik Dakshin Goyant, because 16,550 case is pending. Because there is a saying, justice delayed is justice denied. But hui na hui, because in our state, if we look, 28% for cases high, are pending for over 5 years in North Goa and 22% are pending for over 5 years in South Goa. I believe that the people are desperately waiting for justice, but the judges to deliver this justice are yet to be appointed. Hui na hui, because these judges are not appointed, these cases are not getting cleared. I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable Minister कि जे administrative tribunal pendency has 668 cases are there, of which 39 cases are pending for more than 5 years. This is the data that we have. Poir जे construction केले of the new district session court, आमी सांगितले ते contractor blacklist करा. तो blacklist करपा मुखेलमंत्री IIT आर्ट म्हणून सांगता. सगळ्या जेन्ना blacklist करून तांकां IIT आर्ट आहे. जेन्ना लँडस्लायड जालें नॉर्थ गोवा थिंगा IIT मुंबय IIT चेन्नई म्हाका दिसता मंत्रीक तुमी जे पडे हाय सगळे हाय तांकां पयलीं IIT धाडय शिकपाक सारकें हे चोयल्यार स्पीकर सर इतलें 120 crores has been spent without inauguration only the whole roof blows up with just that particular wind. Speaker sir, contractor ache tum ekole this type of contractors should be basically blacklisted. I hope Speaker sir जे गोंयभर घडलां तें हे कोर्टान घडपाना because the project is not inaugurated also and 120 crores has been spent. And Speaker sir, oh Cabral mare मातशें राव रे
45 minutes जालेले
40 minutes जाले अरे उलयन दी रे साहेब. Speaker sir, basically what happened with the 62 selection of 62 notaries जे म्हाका दिसता in pursuance to related notice dated January 19, 2024 and there were also 100 notaries that was initiated by Cabral Bab took a lot of trouble also. I don't know in 2019 about these notaries that were supposed to happen. So I think you should clarify. Yeah, the next one. 64 re.
That will be done now.
Huh? There is still pending. Yeah, that same thing. Because Goa succession and especially notaries inventory proceeding bill je put to me adle. And this made it mandatory for notaries to collect additional documents, especially with Jenna SIT is also a problem. Amendment is proposed to stop land grabbing in Goa. I would require the Honorable Minister to tell us that what steps have this, we have to look at this seriously with the increasing number of land grabbing cases and whether we would be able to control this due to this legislation. What changes have happened after bringing this legislation, the Honorable Minister needs to tell us. Because J7th session of the current 8th Assembly, we have about 18 working days. This is very important. In the same duration as the last monsoon session in 2023. And thus, because we should note that after the monsoon session 6 months ago, that is August 23 to now, we have been in session only for 6 days, till July 24. Because 23-24, in this particular year, we have met for only 24 days. In March 23, because during the short session, the annual budget was presented and in the monsoon session, the same budget was discussed and passed. Now, Speaker sir, from 2022 that we have been elected, there have been only 7 sessions, excluding the ongoing one. At a glance, Speaker sir, if we look in the last 2 decades, none of the governments have met for more than 30 days in a calendar year. And last session was 2019 session, which was the longest, I believe, for 20 days. So because you are 33 in the ruling, it is natural that the government attempts to escape scrutiny and accountability. Subsequent, because the government in Goa, we have to make sure I think this is a bill that you should bring next time. Because if you look at the states, Manipur, Orissa, Punjab, UP, they have laid down the minimum number of sitting days through the rules of procedure. Ata Punjab because in a year 40 days, UP in a year 90 days, in Karnataka, Speaker sir, they have come with a law which says 60 days is the minimum. Speaker sir, 60 days is minimum in Karnataka. So I feel as representatives we have to be also accountable to our voters and we should take this very seriously. Anik Magadista, we have to spend more time in this August House. Now coming to the flaws that I have noticed, I bring it to your notice. Speaker sir, Jem bill ade, and for example, tomorrow's bill, there's a bill tabled now. It has to be given 72 hours before. Under discretion, there is no suspension of rules. Na, my the BSc meeting itu asna ata. Tu poila astal an mukar gode asot. Kain sango na. Speaker sir, ye je 72 hours aha. Follow that because these bills that are put, we also need to study it. And now you all have given us bills that will be coming tomorrow. Je 72 hours to kaido ha. If you all are going to break it, tinga rula ma am the BSc meeting and kidya kota. Every time you all break it, you all have 6 months to decide when to bring the bills. Why last minute you all are just tabling after tabling after tabling and tabling, withdrawing, tabling, withdrawing. Ati jenna kon bache alcoholic mujgeta mache malya mache takko jata sarko. My pot jenna solo, sor jenna solo jala tekki jata mache tokli bi gunta. So yet Speaker sir, you all decide. I believe tabling the bills and then withdrawing is something that the whole state is looking at. Speaker sir, many of my LQs are disallowed. There is one disallowed. I had asked whether this building is safe, whether this building structural audit has been done. I think everyone would be happy to know whether this building is safe or not.
I assure you, you're going to go home in.
No, that your assurance is okay, but what I'm trying to say is, why should we not know whether this building is safe? This is some secret spy thing that we cannot know whether, and it was put to the PWD. It was not put to the legislative secretariat or anything. Speaker sir, दूसरे जे question jenna transfer ke liye. There was one question of mine transferred from transport department on black spots. It was timed in such a way that it went to the PWD. From PWD it went to home, and from home then the black spot question got over, and then it came back to transport. And you all are now, because of the new norm, I have never seen such type of things. The new norm is that if you don't want to answer a question, either remove the heading A, B, C, directly remove it. For example, your question was the law department, you are not aware. A, B, C, D, E I asked. Only A is put. B, C, D was disallowed. Same way, questions now, today I had a question, tomorrow I have a question on tourism. The reply was given to me at 5 o'clock. It has to be 48 hours before. This is what we are speaking. When are we supposed to study the answers? Speaker sir, hui na hui Magadista, the department, Jenna, when we ask the legislative secretariat, they either say that the departments are not answering, the government is not answering. This comes under the discrepancy powers of the speakers. Because of Yankit Solna, we are coming here to get answers. Hui na hui Speaker sir, Magadista, this has to be corrected. And this is a very, very important thing. Many replies of yours, they are not readable, they have no serial numbers, annexures shown, they have to have a separate attachment. 5 minutes cover karo. Speaker sir, some annexures are not scanned copies which are absolutely shabby, not readable. I was just trying to read. So many copies, we can't even read. So basically, this seems to be like a massacre. If you don't want to answer a question, do this. Either transfer it, send it to some other department. By the time it comes, this is the new this. You don't require the speaker's thing. The department is just playing these games. Because I believe that one very specific thing is what we all agreed, is making this legislative assembly complex, person with disable friendly. I hope next time that when we come, that this, when I say person with disable friendly, we should practice what we preach. There are 5 conditions for a person with disability. All these 5 conditions have to be put to make sure that a person with disability doesn't feel embarrassed to come in. Because the last, Potsache Oloitna, ki MPA, I believe, is operating as the de facto ruler of the Mormugaon Taluka. I believe that we spoke about nationalization of rivers, how our rivers, according to me, was sold to these land, Jay Magadista, crony capitalists, as we call them. MPA, he's leasing all these waterfront properties. The latest is 1 lakh square meters that was from Naushit to Kargwal. I believe last time there is it is the property as discussed. You are going to take a legal view. It belongs to the state. It has to come back to the state. Whether this...
Meeting was held. My colleague, Advocate Carlos Ferreira was present. Mr. Vijay Sardesai was present along with the AG. Point number one, the matter is sub judice. There is a stay order on that MPA lease, whatever it is, given by the Bombay High Court. So the AG advised that we should not discuss that topic in this August House, since it is sub judice.
Okay, no, but just the thing saying that the property, actually it belonged to the state government and they could not get into an agreement in the first place. It's something that you need to look at the interests of the state. It's because of last captain of ports terminal building which is likely to be completed, I believe, by 24-25. By spending 25 crores, I hope you don't lease out this building to someone else. So what? The building that is coming, Captain of Ports building, about 24 crores has spent. So what is the exact purpose of it? Whether it will be also leased out, whether there would be another restaurant there, whether there would be, what would come up there is something that you need to tell us. Thank you, Speaker, sir.